Okay, so for this part, we're going to be following these directions right here. At the top for temperature view, select surface. So right here at temperature view, I'm going to select surface. So it should look like this. Now our next step says drag location sensors from the bottom to 4 and 5. So I'm going to get my location sensors, the first one right here. I'm going to drag it to 4 and then drag the other one to 5 right here. Okay, now our next step says record the air temperature of these two locations in the table below. So when you look right here, our air temperature is going to be in the top right corner for each one. So it says 17.2 for me. So I would write that down as the starting air temperature for each one. Then our next step says press play, observe the motion of the currents, and observe how energy is being transferred between water and air. So I'm going to press play. I can see the currents are moving around. I'm looking at what's happening to the temperature of the air, the temperature of the land, and the water, and especially what direction is energy transferring at each place. So think about where are the currents coming from that are going by each place, and how is that affecting it? Okay. So after the temperature stabilizes, this should take about 2 minutes. Record the air temperature of both locations. So after about 2 minutes have passed, you'll write down the new air temperature for each one in your table. So that will go here. And then indicate if the location was near a cold current or a warm current. So you'll go back and look, where's the current coming from? Is it cold or is it warm? So all you'll have to do is put cold or warm in that table, and then you can answer the questions about your data. Good luck.